Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is writer Abrar Mohammed from MD Abrar Digital Science Center, Danogir, Piplipuri. This was inaugurated by Mr. Raj Kishore Swai, my guru, as you can see in the light board. And I am introducing you my artistical children's theatre and artistical pupils theatre and tutorial classrooms. Very soon we are interested for the meeting which should be started from Rooprang studio in Dumduma, Bhubaneswar, and then follow up selected candidates can be forwarded to this studio. It is here in Pipli, 20 kilometers from Dumduma and Bhubaneswar. So what we have here to start the business in education, especially livelihood is considered for all benefits of students and other pupils who need it actually. As you can see in Odia also, we have this slide board. This counter, as you can see from this board, is apt and so counter board in Odia and English. What we are focusing mainly is tutorials as per your needs, as you can see here in Odia and English. Also, we have a tea, coffee and refreshment counter. People can sit here and all other activities can go follow up in backside of this studio. There is a classroom here. As you can see, there is a classroom and workshop. Behind this room is also a act and show classroom for children's. इस सब के मिला जुला कार्यक्रम से हम बच्चों को पढ़ाएंगे या बड़े आदमियों को पढ़ाएंगे. कौन सब टीचर रहेंगे, कौन शिक्षक रहेंगे, वो सब भी इनवाइटेड हैं. आप लोग हमारे प्लान प्रोपेगेंडा पे शामिल हुइए. और अगर आप टीचर हैं या कोई स्पेशल टीचर हैं, जैसे कि डांस, सॉन्ग, आर्ट, पेंटिंग, स्क्रिप्ट राइटिंग, एक्टिंग, डांस ऑन क्लासिकल साइड, vocals, singers, disco dancers, or Odissi, Kathak, whatever the people will intend to learn from here in my locality, I will try to arrange tutorials as per their needs. That's why I declared, as you can see from that board, tutorials as per your needs. हम अरेंज करके देखेंगे इस परीक्षा में हम कहाँ तक सक्सेस होते हैं, आप लोग हमारे साथ कितना कोऑपरेट करते हो, वो देखा जाएगा. एक ट्रायल पीरियड होगा. उस ट्रायल पीरियड पे हम लोग अगर सक्सेसफुल हो जाएंगे तो फिर आगे बढ़ेंगे, या तो फिर डील कैंसिल होगा. दैट्स नो प्रॉब्लम. फिर नए नए डील्स हम शुरू करेंगे, नए नए प्लान्स जो आएंगे उसको हम बढ़ाएंगे. जो सक्सेसफुल होगा उस प्लान को हम आगे बढ़ाएंगे. जो प्लान सक्सेसफुल नहीं होगा, कृपया हमें क्षमा कीजिए, हम एक्सपेरिमेंटल स्टेज पे हैं, इसलिए आपकी कोऑपरेशन की ज़रूरत है. हमारे पास कोई खर्च नहीं है किसी के आने जाने के देने के लिए. जो व्यक्ति निकटतम हैं वो अपने खर्च में आएंगे, इंटरव्यू फेस करेंगे. हमारी प्लान क्या है, आपकी प्लान क्या है, मिसेगी. और हम लोग मोस्ट प्रोबेबली हम लोग प्रोडक्शन से ही स्टार्ट करेंगे, क्योंकि प्रोडक्शंस पे मेरा राइट्स रहता है. और जब वो चैरिटी हो जाएगा तो फिर बोर्ड का उस पर इन्वॉल्वमेंट देखा जाएगा. बोर्ड पे कौन कौन रहेंगे चैरिटी के अंदर वो अभी निर्णय नहीं हुआ है. काम करते करते हमको ज़रूर बोर्ड पे कौन कौन रहना है वो ज़रूर पता चल जाएगा. सो हम इनवाइट कर रहे हैं कि आप जल्द से जल्द हमें कांटेक्ट कीजिए, और रूपरंग स्टूडियो पे जिसका कांटेक्ट हमें सूटेबल लगेगा हम इंटीमेट करेंगे, और इंटीमेशन पाएंगे तो आप हमारे मुलाकात करने की कोशिश करिए. फॉर द प्रिलिमिनरी इंटरव्यूज़ फॉर एनी डील आई विल नॉट बी पेइंग, और आवर टीम विल नॉट बी पेइंग एनी एक्सपेंसेस टू एनी कैंडिडेट, because we are not confirmed with your status. MD Abrar Digital Science Center, Danogir Pipli, alongside the Pipili Delang road is needing some operators. As we are in a proposal to make some arrangements for various tutorials as per the needs of specific candidates, both online and offline plans are there. Kindly contact very soon if you are interested as a teacher or a special teacher or a special artist or a special caliber person or skilled person. Please contact as soon as possible. We will decide after we meet if it is suitable to both parties. We will mutually agree to some job and system. If it is not suitable, the deal will be cancelled. Everything for education must be in a procedure, in a disciplined manner. So if you go in cooperation with us or with all the disciplined rules, it will be a better future for us. So as everybody goes, we will also go in the same channel, nothing changed. We will first look into your CV. We will invite you, intimate you. You have your choice to come or not come. Preferably Bhubaneswar studios like Ruprang studio can be better for people who are near Bhubaneswar. And for people who are near Pipili in Puri district, they can come to our digital center in Danogair. So choice is yours, but we will not pay any expenses at this stage. We are not in that position. But we are trying our best to make the best team in education for special students. Main purpose is special students, whether it is a little baby or a big person, does not matter. What is the speciality in the student? Which kind of special tools can help a special student? That is my motto. So special pupils who have achieved their goals and who have a bright career in past or some innovative ideas, that will be welcome in our team. But there will be trial phase. Depends upon your choice. How much you can, you and we together will fix how much will be the trial period. In that minimum period, some which can be bearable, we will experience our cooperativity and compatibility and other factors. If we are sustaining, we will make a best team for teaching special pupils, special students, special artists, special children in all kinds of innovative fields like dance, like song, like lyrics, like acting, like competitive success, and like sports success. Everything I am interested, and we should be tired of with all special peoples all around our social media. So I am not also interested to spoil anybody's time. Time is very big factor. 1 hour, just 1 hour in 1 month from any special person as a contribution to our this mission can succeed us and make us very bright team in the entire world. As for a writer, in my books I have already seen lot of things. I have experimented and I have got success. So I am expecting my comrades, my friends, my colleagues, my companions and my students and also my teachers, whoever will be come on my ways of this development, we must have a great understanding. But please don't ask money when it is not been planned. Till we have plan and we have success, you can understand the success. If you have ability to understand the success, you will automatically enjoy the earning. If you are not able to understand the plan or the innovation, please don't disturb us. Please don't also blame us. I am a handicap writer, 84% deaf, so I will take assistance of hearing people who will be in the counters here. Like we have here 4 counters already in this institution. One is tea and coffee counter. Another is your tutorial as per needs. And the third one is mission for helping those who are not economically strong. What government can give, what people can give, we will try to achieve that also. And the beautiful counter here is our special counter here, which we have invented that is study through theater, studio and workshop. You can see this board, study through theater, studio and workshop. These three things together can make us beautiful scholars in the entire world. So at the moment you can see my total classrooms in a series of construction. They are growing, and also I am taking help of lot of studios, and they are my friends. So they will definitely help us in developing our career. They are in Bhubaneswar, so we can combiningly achieve our goals. So people near Bhubaneswar, please try to meet me. But before that, I must look at your CV and I must judge that and I must intimate you. Then you can come. Please do not come to any interview without intimation that we have put you. So also please don't blame us for we cannot bear any charges for in preliminary stage. Okay, so you can see here the counter, which can be a theater and also can be a classroom here. In behind this we also have a children's room there for study, and on the behind also special ladies handicraft special halls behind there, and also cottages for livelihood programs. All that I am trying to develop in cooperation with the people. So please communicate with me, give me your contacts and give me your time to communicate, and deal with me nicely, and try to meet me after I agree to meet you. First we must agree to meet, and place of agreement for meeting also is important. So we must have pre-consent to where we can meet, and how many people are coming also. We have to see there, watch them, their welfare is our motto. So very soon we are going to start the meeting in Ruprang Studio, Bhubaneswar. Those who are interested to join in the meeting in Bhubaneswar, please drop me your CV and get in touch. We must meet in 1-2 weeks maximum, not more than that. We are already delayed because of election programs. Okay, anyway, now you can choose whether you want to meet in Ruprang Studio, Bhubaneswar, or you want to meet here in Pipli, Puri district. You will be informed accordingly when we can meet, and that meeting should be very soon. But only when we watch your CV and your activity from your profile status, then I can let you know when we should meet. Please don't ask any money. Again and again I am telling you. Thank you very much and good day for this nice meeting. Over.